Hello student, how are you? Today we are going to solve sum number 5 of exercise 5.2. Okay student, in our last video we knew something about supplementary angles, interior angles and corresponding angles. Today we are going to solve how can a two lines be parallel. Okay. So first of all we have to start solve sum number 5th. In this sum the arm of two angles are parallel if triangle ABC 70 degree, then the find angles DGC. We can see that here first angle is given, this angle is 70 degree, so DC DGC, so DG should be 70 degrees because these lines are parallel and their angles will be same. Okay, corresponding angle will be same, so DG should be DGC should be 70 degree because they are corresponding angles. Okay students, clear? Now second part. In this second part he wants to know about DEF also be 70 degree because these lines are parallel. Okay students, both of angles are 70 degree. Okay student, now next sum number 6. In the given figure below, decide whether the line is parallel to M. For the parallel of line, one property is identified that the interior angle between two parallel lines sum should be 180 degree. Okay, when we add 126 and 144 degree, the total of there should be 180 degree. Okay, but when these we can see that some of these will be 70 degree, so these are not parallel. The sum of these two angles, this angle and this angle, is equal to 170. So L not parallel to M because some of these have to 180 degree. So we can say that no, it is not parallel. Okay. In this you can see that 75 equal to 75. Okay, sum of angle does not obey the property of parallel lines, so it is also not parallel. And in third part you can see that when we add these angles supplementary, they made a supplementary angles. Okay, so yes, it will be yes. And fourth part, when we add in these both, it make 170 degree sum, but it is not parallel. Sorry, fourth the parallel, the sum of these should be 180 degrees, so it will be no. 3 answer are no in no and 1 only answer in yes. Okay students, so only third part, in third part L parallel to M. Okay students, now start next exercise. Sixth exercise 6.1. In sum number first, the given figure is given and you describe these fill-ups. First fill-up PM. You can see here this is a triangle. D is its midpoint. Okay, and M is perpendicular on QR. Okay, PM is perpendicular on QR. So first है PM. You can say this PM a perpendicular or a attitude. Okay, attitude. Okay, now PD is PD is a median. Okay students, now QM is equal to MR. No, it is not equal. Okay, you can see that here. Now sum number 2. In this sum, draw a rough sketch for the following. A triangle ABC. First of all, you have to draw a triangle. Okay, ABC. Okay students, first you have to draw a triangle ABC. So you have to draw a line AC. Okay, and ABC, B is median. Okay, for median you can draw bisector of AC. First arc is this, and the second will be this. In 6th class you already read about this, so it will be median. Now join this line by this, name it P. So it should be angle ABC. Okay, now start part number B. In PQR, PQ and P are attitude of the triangle. PQ, देखिए इसमें 2 attitudes दिखाने हैं, ठीक है. So it should be a triangle of 90 degree. For a triangle of 90 degree, first of all you have to draw a line segment like this. Name it PQ, and the PQ and P are attitude, have two attitude. So PR should be 90 degree. PR attitude should be 90 degree. So first of all you have to draw a 90 degree angle on it. First cut 60, second 120, and mark this like on 120. You can make a right angle. This is our right angle, and now join, mark any point on this line and join by SP. Name it R. Okay, here both 2 attitude. First is PR and the second is second is PQ. Okay, 2 attitude in this sum. C part, XYZ, YL is an attitude in the interior of the triangle. This sum is like the first sum. Okay students, so you can do like as first sum. XYZ and exterior, sorry first sum कह रहे हैं, exterior. इंटीरियर होता तो हम फर्स्ट सम की तरह कर सकते हैं. एक्सटीरियर एटीट्यूड दिखाना है YL. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ड्रॉ ए ट्रायंगल of obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle, it means it's greater than 90 degree. So first of all you have to draw XZ. Okay, draw an angle of 100 degree on this. Okay, now join this line, name it Y, and you have to draw YL an attitude. So mark this. From Y you can, on Y you can make a triangle of from Y you can make an angle of 90 degree. कहाँ चला गया बेटा, सॉरी. इसमें हमने देखिए XY क्या लाइन खींची थी, इसका नाम दिया था XZ. Okay, and make an angle of 100 degree and then mark it XY. ठीक है, और draw a attitude on this, on Z. For attitude you can draw was 90 degree triangle. First cut 60, second 120, and this like this you can draw a 90 degree angle on this. Or Y, its name is YL. Okay, its name is YL. Okay, draw it easily. Okay students, sum number 3rd, last sum है 6.1 का. Verify the drawing a diagram if median and attitude of a isosceles triangle can be seen. Isosceles triangle means it has two same lines, same arms. Okay, two arms same. Given this, take ABC, draw and a median. Okay, first of all you have to draw a triangle. Okay, here you can draw the first line. You can take 5 centimeter. Okay, mark from point, name it A, B. From point A you can mark an arc of 5 centimeter. Okay, from B point you can mark an arc of 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Here you can see that the two lines are parallel, so we can say it isosceles triangles. Now you have to draw a median and attitude of the following. Now you can draw a attitude. For attitude you have to draw 90-degree angles on median, and you can draw it attitude के लिए first arc like from this point, and second will be from this point. You can draw, and it will be the median. Okay, it will be the attitude and median, both will be same. Okay student, both will be same. इस तरीके से आपने इसको सॉल्व करना है. आज के लिए थैंक यू बच्चों.